I need a break. Let me catch my breath. Hi friends, welcome back to my DIY roof adventure series. As you can see, we're having a very productive day of doing this back-breaking work ourselves. Rafters versus trusses. I'll tell you why we went with the rafters method. Roof trusses have a longer lead time than rafters, and they require more planning, more drawing and engineering. They're essentially prefabricated structures. The entire process of a roof truss system can take several weeks before it's ready to be installed. Rafters are more DIY friendly in my opinion, and that is why we went this route. But the drawbacks are that it is more time consuming. You know, we have to hand build each individual rafter. I think that it will look much more grand and beautiful with this classic framing design. So here's how these three musketeers are juggling this project. First, we slide out one of these 22 feet long structural select Douglas fir lumber. They are heavy and feels like they weigh about 100 pounds. They weigh more than me. I then measure a precise angle. And then cut the top piece using this miter saw. Eyes and ears protection are a must, especially working with power tools. Svetla and I team up on carrying the rafters through the maze of uneven terrain and obstacles. We do the hokey pokey shuffle to shimmy it from the backyard to the sides of the house. Then we maneuver this bulky lumber over and up onto the roof. The two of us then lift it up to Chris, who then spearheads this to the tippity top of the tallest point of the second story, which is about 20 feet off the ground. This is not an easy task, and who needs CrossFit when you can do roof fit for free? We have a total of 22 rafters to put up. The rafters frame out the sides of the roof, and we're using a standard rafter with a ridge board. We're not using trusses. Even though trusses are 30% cheaper than rafters, we chose rafters because it gave us more head height in the attic. These rafters that we are measuring, cutting, and essentially assembling and building on site are more custom and therefore require more skills and patience. Because it has been the three of us mostly working on the weekends, we're slowly but surely making progress. So there you have it. The difference between a truss versus rafters method and how we are building this ourselves. If the Egyptians could build pyramids, anyone can build a gable roof. All right, I gotta get back to work. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hit the subscribe or stay tuned for more progress. Okay, bye.